A bag contains 8 red balls, 12 white balls, and 5 black balls. If a ball is picked at a random without replacement, find the probability of selecting A red ball, another red ball, and a white ball. B, 2 white balls consecutively. Now, this is a probability question that most of you find it difficult. And this is a type of probability question that when a ball is picked, it is not replaced. That is what? Without replacement. Now, mostly people go straight forward, but I'm going to put it in a scenario or a diagram form so you see how it is easy. Okay, now let me say that this is what the box. Please pay attention. Okay, I am here for you to understand the concept so that even if you forget, you can identify and see how it works. So here is red balls, this place is white balls, right? And this place is what? Black balls. Now pay attention very well and see something. So I have my 8 balls over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have my 12 white balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have my 5 black balls here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, this is the box, okay? And the bag, which contains the balls. Now, it said that if a ball is picked at a random means that you are not looking inside, you are just picking it, okay? Without replacement, meaning that when you pick the first ball, you won't replace it back again. Picture that in real life. Good. Find the probability of selecting a red ball, another red ball, and a white ball. Are you getting it? Good. So we are going to look at the chance, the probability that the chance of picking first a red ball, second another red ball, and third a white ball. Now, we already know, normally when you talk of probability, okay, we say probability is the talking about the selected event. Let me put this in this form so you understand. Over the total possible outcome. Okay? Over here, we check it very well. We are going to pick the ball among number of balls within the bag. So I need to know the number of balls within the bag. Knowing the number of balls, I need to add the red balls, which is what? 8, plus my white balls, which is 2, plus my black balls, which is what? 5. So what am I going to get here? 25 balls, right? Pay attention very well. Meaning that I am going to select the balls out of these 25 balls. So it means that my total balls, which is the total possible outcomes of all of them, is 25. So let me put it there, okay? Let me say it is total, all of them is 25. Let me even write it here. So you get something. The total is 25 over here. Now, it says that find the probability of what? Selecting a red ball, another red ball, and a white ball. Now, I'm going to select the red ball. I need to know the number of red balls that are available. Checking over here, the first red ball to be picked, first red ball. Before I pick it, I have to know how many red balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Meaning that I'm going to pick it among 8 red balls. So if I'm going to select a red ball, I will be able to select one among the 8 red balls. All over the total, that is what? 25. Please pay attention. This is the first selection. The first is what? Red ball. Now, he said that the second is what? The second is what? Red ball again. Now, pay attention. This is where the confusion comes in. The first ball I picked red, and I'm picking 1. Okay? Now, if it is 8, and I've picked 1 ball already, I've picked 1 ball out of it, is it going to still remain 8? No, because it said without replacement. So I've already picked 1 ball out of it, out of the 8. So it means that now if the 1 ball goes off, how many balls is going to be left for my red at the second pick? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's going to be left with what? 7. And my total is going to change because the first picking, I picked 1. So meaning that it's not going to be 25 again. Have you seen the clue? Meaning that it's going to be what? 24. So my second pick is going to be what? 7 over 24. Exactly. Then my third picking says that what? A white ball. So white. Now let's come back. I picked another second ball. So now the red is gone off. Good. Now I'm going to pick white. I'm now coming to the white. The white have not picked anything. So I need to know the number of white that are still inside the bag because I didn't pick anything. So that is what? 12. So my white is going to be what? 12 over here. Out of, remember, again, I have already picked 2 red balls. So if I have picked 2 red balls, the balls are not going to be 8 again at that time, to be 6. So when I add my 6 and my 12 and my 5, what am I going to get? 23. So at my third picking, it's now going to be 12 out of 23. Are you getting the clue? So I always tell students that when it comes to probability and the ball is picked without replacement, if your first one, the denominator is 25, the next one reduced to 24, and the next one reduced to 23, then you just look at the numerator, the one that is being picked on top. Here we picked red ball, it was 8, and one was picked. So now another red ball, it remained with 7. But when we came to the white ball, it was still what? 12. But the number has reduced to 23 because 2 red balls has already been picked out without replacement. So when you are done getting all this, that is when you come and multiply 8 over 25 times your 7 over 24 times your 12 out of what? 23. I'm going to get 672 all over 13,800. The next one, you simplify it further, and when you simplify it, you get 28 over 575. And this is how come we get or deal with probability of questions whenever it is picked without replacement. Therefore, tell me B in the comment section, if 2 white balls are picked consecutively, what will be the answer? Let me know in the comment section.